Here let us see a question from the topic arithmetic progression. This is related to sum of n terms of an AP. Okay. Find the sum to n terms of the sequence an where an is equal to minus 3 plus 2n. Here an means this is the general term. Sometimes we use tn as the general term. Sometimes we use an. So an means general terms of the AP of this sequence. Okay, so we have to find the sum to n terms. Correct. So with the help of this sequence an, which is minus 3 plus 2n, we can get first term, second term, third term, fourth term by putting n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 respectively. Okay, so if we put n is equal to 1, we will get first term a1, which will be equal to minus 3 plus 2 into 1. This is equal to minus 3 plus 2 and this is equal to minus 1. Okay, and second term a2 we can get it from here by putting n is equal to 2. So by this general term a2 will be minus 3 plus 2 times of 2. This is equal to minus 3 plus 4 and this is equal to 1. Similarly, when we put n is equal to 3, we can get a3. And a3 will be minus 3 plus n is 3. So 2 into 3, this is equal to minus 3 plus 6 and this is equal to 3, like this. Okay. So the sequence which we are getting here is minus 1, 1, 3 and so on. So here this minus 1 is first term. First term is minus 1 and common difference d is how much? By getting the difference of two consecutive terms, we can get the value of d. Second term minus first term, or third term minus second term, third term minus second term. This is equal to 3 minus 1, this is equal to 2. So here a is equal to minus 1 and d is equal to 2. So if we get the value of a and d, we can easily get sum of n terms of the AP which is required here. So sum of n terms of AP, there is a formula. Sn is equal to n by 2 a plus n minus 1 into d. Here we have to find sum of n terms, isn't it? Here number of terms specifically is not mentioned. So we'll get the answer in terms of n only. Okay. So this is equal to n by 2. Just here we will put value of a and d. So value of a is minus 1. And again you write here n minus 1. And value of d is 2. So let us simplify it. This is n by 2. And the expression inside this bracket, when we multiply n minus 1 with 2, we'll get 2n here, 2n, and this is minus 1 and minus 2, that is minus 3. So this is the answer in terms of n, because we have to find Sn, n specifically is not mentioned here, so we are getting the answer in terms of n. Very simple. Hope you have understood it well.